Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video I'm going to review Chronex smartwatch and test it. I am so excited, and to be honest, I've been using this watch for a couple days and I actually really enjoy it, and I will tell you why. For those of you who are not familiar with this brand, Chronex watch is a lifestyle companion featuring 1.8-inch HD color display with a curved design, which I really like. It's sleek and timeless. It offers a stunning visual experience combined with a touchscreen's functionality. This watch embraces the future of wearable tech with an IP67 waterproof rating. It can withstand immersions in water for a period of time, so you don't have to worry about the watch getting wet or get into the water, which is great. And another functions that I really like is that it helps your well-being on track with the real-time heart rate, which is really great. I think it's really nice functions when it comes to the health. And guys, if you are a sports lover, you will definitely love it because it offers diverse activities and advanced metrics to boost your workout. There are over 200 sports modes that you can experience. I personally love walking and I find this very helpful. I will be able to see the steps I make a day, the distance, the calorie burn, and I can track my progress towards the fitness goals, which keep me motivated. Now this watch is connected to my phone, so I am able to see the text, the notification, the phone call right ahead before I even touch my phone, and I'm able to control this device with voice commands, which making my life easier and more efficient. If you're interested in this watch, I will leave the link in down below so you guys can check them out. And now I will show you what comes in the box. I didn't take an unbox video because I wanted to try this watch before I even review it, and I actually enjoy it. So here I am talking about this watch, and here what it's come with is just the instructions, the cables like to charge the watch. The cable itself very interesting. You kind of have to attach with the watch, which is magnetic. It's very easy. Cable is pretty short, so you have to find a good place to charge it. I sometimes find this inconvenient to find a place to charge this watch, but anyway, this is what it's come with. Instructions very interesting. It shows off the function, the feature. There are many things I need to learn more about it because some of the functions are new to me, so that's just very cool. The bands are pretty soft and feel comfortable. They're enough hold to fit your wrist, even though my wrist is very small, but it still fits perfectly and I really like it. It's very easy to wear, matches my style very nicely. My style is pretty simple and casual, and this is such a great accessory piece to add it on my body. Before we do the testing, I want to show you what have been my favorite feature. I like the fitness goal. I think that gives you a motivation and keep you on track. It very helps on your daily lifestyle, so that is one of my favorites. I also like all of the well-being apps because you can check on your health daily if you want to. And yeah, I think that is very helpful. And of course, I also like getting notifications on this watch. And what is very interesting is you can take a photo on this watch, which I think that is amazing. There are many more stuff that I need to learn more, but I will leave the description so you can read and check on all of those functions. And yeah, now I think let's go testing. You wanna go for a walk? Let's go. Okay guys, now it's come to the end of the video. If you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot. And yeah, if you're interested in this watch, I highly recommend it. It's such a great functional watch. It's very helpful. And yeah, so I guess I will see you guys in my next video. And today's I got to go. Bye.